Now see, we will start doing sums based on surface area of a combination of two solid figure. First sum is two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay. Now see, volume of cube. First exercise, sums based on above formula, based on surface area of combined solid figure. Two cube, each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now see, volume of cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. Clear? See, volume of cube is L cube and it is given as 64 centimeter cube. So what is your L is 4 centimeter, okay? Now when two cubes are joined together, it is going to become a cuboid. It form a cuboid, and cuboid with measurement L is, length is 2 times 4, so 8 centimeter. B is 4 centimeter and H is also 4 centimeter, okay? So what is the total surface area of cuboid? Total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 times L into B plus L into H plus B into H, okay? Now put the formula. 2 times L into H is going to become 2 times L into B is 8 into 4. L into H is also 8 into 4 and B into H is 4 into 4. So total is 2 times 32 plus 32 plus 16. So ultimately it is equal to 2 times 80. So it is 160 centimeter square. What is the answer? 160 centimeter square. Clear? Clear? Now second sum. A vessel is in a form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter and total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. Now see, look at this figure. Here R is given as 7 centimeter. Clear? And H plus R is 13 centimeter. So that implies H is equal to 13 minus 7. So 6 centimeter. Clear? And if you look at the figure will be like this. This is a cylinder. Let me rub this. See, figure will be like this, I'm doing the sum again. See, a vessel is in a form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. मतलब नीचे की तरफ क्या है? हेमिस्फीयर, और ऊपर की तरफ क्या है? सिलेंडर. ओके, दिस टाइप ऑफ वेसल इज गिवन टू यू. द हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर is h and radius of cylinder as well as hemisphere is r. Clear? Now here h plus r is given 13 centimeter. So r is given 7 centimeter. So naturally my h will be 13 minus 7. So it is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now inner surface area of the vessel. What is the inner surface area of the vessel? It is core surface area of hemisphere plus core surface area of cylinder. Clear? Now core surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and core surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. Now put the value. 2 into pi r बाहर निकाल दो, अंदर आया r plus h. Now put the value. Now you put the value. 2 pi r plus h. Put the value. It is 2 pi r, you have taken common in bracket r plus h. So what you are going to get? You are putting the value of 2, then pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 and r plus h is 13. So 7 cancel. So what is it? 44 into 13. And 44 into 13 is 572 centimeter square. Clear? Now third sum is a toy. Is in form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. See the figure. In figure, what is given? PD is h, AP is r, and it is 3.5 centimeter. And h plus r is 15.5 centimeter. So naturally h will be 12 centimeter. Now you should find out for total surface area slant height of a cone, right? And what is slant height of cone? It is under root h square plus r square. So if you put the value, it is under root 12 ka square plus 3.5 ka square. So it is under root 144 plus 12.25. So it is under root 156.25. And the square root of it is 12.5 centimeter. So now you are having radius is 3.5 centimeter, h is 12 centimeter and L is 12.5 centimeter, right? So data is with you. Now you should find out the total surface area. Okay. Now what is the total surface area of a toy? It is a curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Clear? So total surface area of toy is nothing but curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. Clear? So now I write formula for total surface area of toy is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Clear? Now what is curved surface area of cone? It is pi r l, and here is 2 pi r square. You take out pi r common. In bracket you will get L plus 2R. Now to put the value of R, L and pi. 22 by 7. R is given as 35 by 10. And L plus R is given as 12.5 plus 7. So it is 7.0. So 7 5 ja, 5 2 ja, and 2 11 ja. So ultimately it is 19.5 into 11. So my answer is 214.5 centimeter square. Clear? Now see this figure. A cubical box, right, of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have? And find the surface area of the solid. Now here figure will be like this. The figure is just below is a cuboid, okay? Sorry, cube. This is a cube. Clear? And क्यूब के ऊपर क्या दिया है? अपर सरफेस में you are given a hemisphere like this. This is a hemisphere, okay? Radius of hemisphere is half the length. Clear? So here greatest diameter this hemisphere can take is nothing but length of the cube. Clear? So what is the greatest diameter this hemisphere can take is equal to the length of the cube. Now tell me, what is the length of the cube? Length is given as 7 centimeter. So the greatest diameter is equal to length of the side of cube. Okay? And that is 7 centimeter. So what is your radius is 3.5 centimeter. Okay? Now what is the total surface area? Total surface area of block is nothing but total area of cube, total area of cube minus area of base of hemisphere, okay? Area of base plus curved surface area of hemisphere, okay? Now put the formula. What is the total surface area of cube? It is equal to 6L square. And what is the surface area of base? Base is pi r square. And what is the curved surface area of hemisphere? That is 2 pi r square, okay? So now if I put the formula, it is 6L square minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square. So final formula is 6L square plus pi r square. Put the value. 6L square is 6 into 7 into 7. Pi is 22 by 7 and r is 3.5. So 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. 7 5 ja, 5 2 ja and 2 11 ja. Here 6 into 7 into 7 is 294 plus 11 into 35 is 385. 385 upon 10 is 38.5. So my total area is 332.5 centimeter square. That is total surface area of this cubical box. Now here the sum is very similar to the sum number 4. Here a hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of hemisphere is equal to the age of the cube. Carbon copy same. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Here you are given figure is like this. A cuboid box is there and there is a depression. Depression मतलब अंदर की तरफ. We are making a hemisphere. So radius of hemisphere I consider as L by 2. L is the age of the cube. So naturally, see, figure will be like this. Let me rub this figure. Look here. Figure is like this. You are given a cube with age L. मतलब length of this is L centimeter. Now I have to make a hemisphere. Okay. Okay. Radius is equal to L by 2. Clear? Clear? Now what is the total surface area of this cube? Here I can say radius is equal to L by 2. I will get my answer in terms of L. What is the surface area of the remaining part? Surface area of the remaining solid after this depression, okay? Remaining solid. There is a depression of how much that is cut out from the one face of cuboid wooden block, such that the diameter is same as the length of the side of the cube. So radius will be L by 2. Now what is the surface area of the remaining solid? It is nothing but surface area of cube minus area of base of a cube or area of base of hemisphere and plus surface area of hemisphere, core surface area. क्लियर? डिप्रेशन में नीचे एरिया तो आएगा ना. क्लियर? So it's very similar to sum number 4. 4 and 5 are carbon copy same. So formula will remain same. What is the formula? Formula is 6L square minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square. Right? Two pi r square. So what is left? It is nothing but 6L square plus pi r square. Clear? 6L square will remain as 6L square plus for r I should put L by 2 whole square. So what is the answer? 6L square plus pi L square by 4. So it is, if I take out 1 by 4 L square common, if I take out 1 by 4 L square common, तो अंदर आएगा 24 प्लस पाई square unit. Okay? Clear? Now next sum. A metallic capsule, a medicine capsule is in a shape of cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its end. This is very similar to that of water tank. Okay? Water tank also cylindrical in the middle and two hemisphere at the two ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter and the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Find the total surface area of this capsule. Okay? So what I am supposed to do? First I will take value of radius. Radius is given as, diameter is given as 5 mm. So radius is taken as 5 by 2 millimeter. What is radius here? R is 5 by 2 mm. Okay. What is the length? In this figure, length is only this much. Only this is L. Okay? So how to find out length? L plus 2R is 14 given. So L will be 14 minus 2R. 2R matlab 5. So it is 9 mm. L is with me, R is with me. Now what is the total surface area? Total surface area of capsule is curved surface area of cylinder, right? Plus 2 times curved surface area of hemisphere, okay? CSA matlab curved surface area, okay? Now you just put the formula. What is the curved surface area of sphere or cylinder? Is 2 pi r into h, but here h is L, plus 2 times 2 pi r square. Clear? So it is 2 pi r कॉमन निकाल दो, ब्रैकेट में L plus 2R. Put the value. 2 into pi की जगह लिख दो 22/7. Pi की जगह you just write down 22/7. For R you write 5/2. L plus 2R, so 9 plus 5, 14. So this 14 and this 7 and 2 cancel each other. So it is 20 into 10. So it is 220 millimeter square. This is the total surface area of this capsule. Clear? Now see, have you seen a tent, circus tent? Tent of a circle. What is the shape of the tent of a circle? Is cylindrical at the bottom and top is conical. Okay? नीचे से cylindrical and ऊपर से conical. देखो नीचे से क्या है? cylindrical है ना? cylindrical. मैं फिर से बनाती हूं. It is cylindrical at the bottom and conical at the top. If I consider radius of cone as well as this is R and height of cone is taken as H1 and height of cylinder is taken as H and this L is just length height of cone. Then what is given here? Here H is given as 2.1 meter. R is given as 2 meter. And L is given as 2.8 meter. Okay? This is the data given to you. Now you are asked to find out total surface area. Now what is the total surface area of tent? It is a curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Clear? Because जो लैंड है वहां जो फ्लोर है, फ्लोरिंग पे base of tent will not be covered with canvas. Okay? A tent is in a shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height of and diameter of cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, And the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Find the area of canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Base of the tent is not covered with a canvas. मतलब there is simple a land. So what is the total surface area? Total surface area of a tent. See, total surface area of tent is core surface area. CSA मतलब core surface area of cylinder plus core surface area of cone. Clear? Put the formula. What is core surface area of cylinder? It is two pi RH. And what is the core surface area of cone? It is pi RL. Clear? So if I take out pi r common, ब्रैकेट में आएगा 2h plus L. Put the value. For pi you put 22/7. For R you put 2. For 2H it is 2.1 into 2, so 4.2. And for L you put 2.8. Now 2.8 plus 4.2 is coming 7. Clear? Here is 2. Right? And here is 22/7. 7 cancel. So what is left? Answer is, how much canvas is required? 44 meter square. Now cost of canvas. Cost of canvas is 500 rupees per meter square. 1 meter square का 500 rupees. So total cost of canvas. Total cost of canvas. Can you calculate by your own? It is 40 into 500. So it is rupees 20,000. Okay. That is the cost of the canvas. Clear? Now next sum is sum number 7 में सिलेंडर के ऊपर कोन was surmounted. Here सिलेंडर के अंदर कोन is to be solid. Cylinder is given of height 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, and a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. मतलब कोन अंदर की तरफ बनाना है. Clear? अंदर. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid nearest centimeter square. So first I will draw figure. फिगर कैसे बनाएंगे हम? पहले हम क्या बनाएंगे? सिलेंडर बनाएंगे और इसके अंदर कैविटी बनाएंगे, कोनिकल कैविटी. ओके. सो फर्स्ट आई ड्रॉ अ सिलेंडर. ओके. Height is h, radius is r. Clear? Now a conical cavity is to be made. Right? Height is same and radius is also same. So surface area of remaining part matlab it is a total surface area is area of base, that is circular, then curved surface area of cone or a cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Clear? So here what is given? H is given as 2.4 centimeter. 2R is given as 1.4 centimeter. So naturally my R is 0.7 centimeter. Now surface area of cylinder after cavity is to be made is area of base is circular, plus curved surface area of cylinder प्लस अंदर की तरफ कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन. क्लियर? क्लियर? नाउ पुट द फॉर्मूला, देन पुट द वैल्यू, डू द कैलकुलेशन एंड गेट द आंसर. क्या करेंगे आप? Now see, what is left? Here one thing we should find out what we are supposed to find out? We have to find out the slant height. What is L is? L is under root h square plus r square. L is under root h square plus r square. अंडर रूट एल स्क्वायर मतलब अंडर रूट एच स्क्वायर मतलब 2.4 स्क्वायर एंड आर स्क्वायर मतलब 0.7 का स्क्वायर. तो इट इज अंडर रूट 5.76 प्लस 0.49. क्लियर? क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज इट? It is under root 6.25 and 6.25 का स्क्वायर रूट है. What is square root of 6.25? Tell me. Square root of 6.25. 6.25 is 2.5 centimeter. Okay. Now surface area, we have used the formula. Area of base is pi r square plus curve area of cylinder is 2 pi rh and curve area of cone is pi rl. Put the value. Pi r square मतलब इस सब में से मैं पाई आर कॉमन निकाल दो. अंदर क्या आया? आर प्लस 2h प्लस एल. नाउ पाई मतलब 22/7, आर मतलब 7/10, अंदर आएगा 0.7 प्लस 2h मतलब 4.8 एंड एल मतलब 2.5. एड देम. 7 तो गया. क्या आया? 22. अंदर क्या आया? इस सबका टोटल आएगा 8 अपॉन 10. सो इट इज 176/10. सो 17.6 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू 18 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. दो सम सिमिलर है. देखा आपने? 7 and 8 आर सिमिलर. नाउ द लास्ट सम ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज is a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. Okay, clear? And you are asked to find out a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder shown in figure. If the height of cylinder is 10 centimeter and the base is having radius 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. Here you can say H is 10 centimeter, okay? R is 3.5 centimeter. Now total surface area. Is equal to coarse surface area of cylinder plus 2 times coarse surface area of हेमिस्फीयर. ऐसा सम हमने पहले कर दिया है. ऊपर की तरफ था, ये अंदर की तरफ है. ओके, सो if you put the formula, it is 2 pi r into h it is 2 pi r into h plus 2 into 2 pi r square. वो टैंकर वाला था ना, सिमिलर है ना. is equal to 2 pi r h plus 4 pi r square. You take out 2 pi r common. अंदर आएगा h plus 2r. Put the value. It is 2 into 22 by 7. Put the value now. Formula I have written. h बराबर नहीं दिखता है. Put the value. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 35 by 10 into h मतलब 10 plus 2r मतलब 7. So it is a 7, 5 जा 5 और 2 10 के साथ गया. It is 22 into 17 and answer is 374 centimeter square. Clear? So that complete your 3.1. First exercise based on surface area of combined solid figure. Clear?